Hello, welcome to my Sunday from. Today we have some packages, and I want to open the boxes first. Okay, so in this package I have this I have a lip liner. It's a little bit smaller than I thought. So I have this lip liner, and I have a cranberry juice. So let's see. Let's get this cranberry juice. And this cranberry juice is not like regular cranberry juice. This is like I think it's like $5, around $5. The cranberry juice, and this lip liner was 98 cents, right? And so this cranberry juice is actually it says it has 75 milligrams of caffeine from green tea extract. It has B and C vitamins. It has 70% of your vitamin C, riboflavin. It has vitamin B12, or is that, no, vitamin B6, pantothenic acid, and let me see, yeah, B12 and niacin. It has 40 calories per serving, and it's just this little thing. So I thought it was a good deal. It has 6 of them in here, and this is like a good thing, like if you're dieting or you're trying to find like an alternative for coffee, or you know, you just want a refreshment for lunch or whatever. So I got those, and then let's see what's in here. So in here I have a soap. It's a hand soap by Bath and Body Works. And this is sweet cinnamon pumpkin. I'm gonna open it just to smell it. And it smells like, you know what it smells like to me? It smells like kind of apples. I don't know why, it just smells like apples. I'll give it another shot. Okay, so it smells a little bit like pumpkin pie, like pumpkin spice, but it still has that like sweet, like a sweet, strong scent to it, and it has that cinnamony spice to it, and I do smell like a mellow scent of pumpkin. And this is like the fall scents. They still have like fall scents and Halloween scents and Christmas scents. So this one cost about $6. It was $6. And I mean, it's a tiny little, it's a smaller size than the other ones, I think. It's 8 ounces, but I mean, it's cute and it smells good. And then I got these tostadas, and these tostadas are 8 for these. And so I like eating tostadas every once in a while. I believe these were $1 something, so that was a really good deal for me. Now, in here is another story, because this one is kind of heavy, because this one I just decided to get these little tiny, I'll show you. Hold on. I decided to get these little, oh, there's more stuff in here. Well, I decided to get these little bottles of water, and so I have those, and I got a, what is this? Oh, this is another lip liner. So I got a glitter lipstick that I want to unbox for a video. I got this vitamin selenium. If you guys ever heard of it, it's an antioxidant, I think. And I think it helps with your immunity, and it also helps, I think, with prostate, but it's also an essential vitamin for like hair. So I got this one because like I'm on this scalp thing. So I have my ritual, and I take hair, skin, and nails vitamins. I take biotin, and I take collagen, and now I added selenium to it because I feel like this is like this is to cap it all off. And this is for me, how do you say, like essential? So if you like that sort of thing, I hope maybe you might give it a try too. And this says Makeup Revolution on it. Oh, I know what this is. I was hoping it was bigger. It was like almost $4, so it was 3. And look at how tiny it is. This says Monsters University Grip Primer Base. I wanted to try the base, and I guess they just gave me a little sample for like almost $4. This is like too tiny for me. But I mean, I haven't tried it yet. It might be worth it. I know the primers that you guys like are a little bit, cost a little bit more. And here's Windex. For me, this is really important. I use this on all my glass, on my anything that has a screen on it, including my glasses, my lenses, everything. This is necessary in my household for it to run smoothly, because I'm kind of like one of those people that like to, that's proud of my abode, my humble abode. So $4 for like a year, for me this is like a year, it lasts like a year. And if it runs out and you know I ain't got it, I just put water in it, honey. I don't care, as long as I have Windex. And I just refilled it because I restocked it because, you know what I'm saying, I had it at the time. It was $4, but it was 3 something. But for me, it's worth it, and necessary. So I am one that likes a clean window. I love looking outside and seeing my beautiful neighborhood. That's just how I am. I don't know about you guys, how you guys clean your lenses and things that have screens on them, microwaves, the oven, anything with a screen on it. I like to spray a little bit of that on it once in a while and make sure it's nice and clean. Now it does contain ammonia, so if you're sensitive to those things, like for me, I just spray them once in a while because I'm used to having kids in the home, so I only spray them once in a while. Like I said, so I got this. This is about $6, 6 something, maybe under $7. These are Power Crunch Pro protein. These could help with mass gain, because like I said, they have 20 grams of protein, and per cookie it is 300 calories. That's a lot of calories. If you're needing to intake more protein or cow or both, this is really good. So let's give this a try. See what this is all about. Ooh, so mine's a little bit broken. I'm gonna take a bite from the other side. This is really good. So actually these are just Nutter Butters, but they have protein in them, and they have calcium, potassium, and iron. They have 4 grams of sugar and 220 milligrams of sodium. So these are basically just solely to uptake your cow or for protein. So the last thing, I received this last. It's closed, right? And this is actually a little outfit. It comes like a bra set with little stockings. See this little holster. So I mean, I got it under $5. It's really cute mesh material with butterflies on it. I hope you like my haul. If you like this video, give it a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. My son different. Bye-bye.